I got a crowd reaction. Hello, my fellow grocery addict. It's Jackie, and I'm here with my kids. My husband's also here, but he's off camera. And we are going to do something new here. We received this large premium subscription box from Try Treats, and every month they can send you treats from around the world, and it's focused around one country. We don't even know what country we have right now, but we're going to open it, and we're going to try different treats. And what's really nice, not only did they send this to me, but they gave me my own coupon code, Grocery Addict, that saves you 15% off your first box if you want to give them a try. There's a link below, and use code Grocery Addict, and you can try it yourself. Hopefully this is going to be a series where we try lots of different snacks from around the world, and I like trying new things, so I'm excited. Any guesses on country? I'm going to say Korea.
Germany.
I would love Germany. Mystery box giveaway. Oh, you can enter a giveaway. Oh, Serbia and Croatia. So inside the box, there's all these different snacks, and we are going to try them one by one. This listing tells you about each of the snacks, actually in the native tongue almost. First, we have classic, it looks like pretzel sticks. So we'll give these a try. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, crunch. Kind of buttery. Tastes like a pretzel stick. I do think they're good. Oh, this is kind of cool. You get some information on the location that it's sent from, some facts, and then also a recipe. So I'll be saving those. That'll be kind of fun to get. Next, let's try, you guys want to try Tutti Frutti next?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So these are, I think, Fruit Chews. Fruit flavored toffee candies that are soft, chewy in texture, and packed with vitamins. Oh. Each piece depicts the flavor of the candy inside. Flavorful fruit taste with each bite. I'd take more vitamins if they all tasted like this. It is a little sticky to the paper. Definitely tastes like strawberry to me though. Okay, this I'm going to save for the end because it looks so good to me. Something about a banana candy. So we're going to save that one for the end. I'm going to let my daughter Elsie pick which one's next. So look in the box, pick which one's next. I don't know, Animal Kingdom. So this is milk chocolate called Animal Kingdom. It's a chocolate mascot on each stick sculpted into the shape and appearance of an animal. It also comes with a little trading card inside. And there's no animal on here. Well, that was a surprise because there's no animal. Elsie, you pick this one. You get the first piece. Matt, he's there. This is really good milk chocolate.
I like how thin it is.
This is the kind of milk chocolate I could eat. Very creamy. Okay, Kyle, you're next. Which one do you pick? Okay, Kyle picks the Smoky. And these are crunchy peanut shaped pieces. They're supposed to be peanut flavored, but in fact taste better than peanuts because they embody a fuller taste. It's not sweet. It does taste kind of like a nut.
It tastes like the shell. It's the shell.
Yeah, it tastes like you eat a peanut with a shell, you're right.
It tastes
I think we all like these. Do you like these? You want a couple more? Okay, Mames, you're next. What do you pick?
This one.
Okay. So they put the wrapper over it. Oh, a Euro cream bar, white chocolate or milk and chocolate product with hazelnut. So let's see. Are 2 pieces of hazelnut chocolate mixed with milk hazelnut cream. Smooth in texture and delicious in taste, this Euro cream block is like having hazelnut chocolate spread into a bar. I'm getting the idea that it's going to taste like Nutella. Can I have a knife, please, Boo? See, it's kind of like multiple pieces together. Mila gets first because she picked this one.
Kind of sounds
I think it's good.
I like it. It is good.
It's very creamy.
It tastes like a Kinder Egg.
Oh yeah, I can do that Kinder Egg taste. I really like this.
Me too.
I feel like I need European chocolate to like chocolate more. I think Kel's right. It tastes like a Kinder Egg. Okay, Matt, you're next. We have 4 more snacks before the finale.
Let's see. What do we got, Elsie? Looks like hazelnut again. Let's try the biscuit.
Okay, next picked Eugenia. Try not to be jealous that it's a female name. It is by Dobrogia. It's a delicious biscuit filled with sweet chocolate cream, making a perfect cookie to enjoy for any time of the day. That's picked.
Oh.
Ooh.
It smells
Smells
a
like
little fragrant,
paint.
doesn't it? Hey, stop. Come over here, come.
Smells like eggnog.
This smells kind of weird, so all of us are a little hesitant to try it. I'm not sure what it tastes like.
I don't really want to know.
Tastes like eggnog.
I've never had eggnog, so.
It smells like a really strong paint.
I kind of get the paint taste.
Ew. Oh,
It
no.
smells like paint.
Here's something I'm thinking of it.
I think this is the first thing that we're not all pretty on board with.
I don't want to try
I
it.
don't think I'd eat that again. Okay.
You want mine, Mom?
Mm-mm. Okay.
Yeah.
Next we have, we're going to do the wafers, which I was so surprised that Matt did not try this. This is Euro cream, much like the bar, I'm guessing.
Like the what?
The hazelnut bar, I'm guessing. Okay. 3 of us trying this. I'm pretty excited about it. Mm. I like these.
I like them.
Kel, do you want one of these? Next we have the Dorina chocolate. A lot of these are by Cross, or Crass, I don't know. It's the flagship chocolate product of Cross, one of the first chocolate manufacturers in the world, founded in 1911. It's among the favorite of chocolate lovers in Serbia and Croatia. Let's see.
Dark chocolate.
I'm gonna let Matt try this one first. Matt, will you tell us if we're in for a treat?
Pretty good.
Does it taste like the biscuit thing?
Oh,
No.
another taste.
I don't know. This-
Kind of like a Nestle Crunch in a way.
It's better than the crunch. It has a more dense, like the cookie's more dense than the crunch, like
Yeah.
wafer things.
Well, and the chocolate, I think.
It reminds me of those Dove little chocolates that we have.
With a waffle cone in it. Okay, if anyone doesn't want this, I kind of don't want to share this. So this is the last snack. I mean, we have a lot of all the stuff left. But this is, Bananco is what I'm looking forward to the most. It's a banana-shaped, chocolate-covered candy bar with a banana-flavored foam center. It's distinctive in shape and flavor. It's a staple in Serbia and Croatia. And like I said, I kind of wish I didn't have to share this because it sounds really good to me. I love banana. Ew.
What in the world?
Oh.
Oh, looks like maybe a lot of the chocolate fell off. Does anyone not want to try this?
I want to.
I want to. I want to.
Dang
I
it.
want like those really small.
Huh, so is that actual banana?
Banana foam.
Oh.
Those small.
You can tell them over there.
Kyle, you want to try the first piece? Have you tried it? Okay, here we go. I'm excited.
Mmm.
It is so good.
Maybe I should try that.
You want it? If you like banana, I think you'd like this. It's very delicious. Okay. It was really delicious. I really like that.
No, I'm sorry.
I don't want
Don't be sorry. I'll eat it.
Wait, no, you wanted to save one for last
Oh.
time.
Yeah, it kind of that. Oh, that's the one that I was gonna do, and then it didn't.
Oh my gosh. We still had one in here.
You realize
So the
that?
banana wasn't the last. Okay, so we have one more before we vote on our favorite. This is the chestnut bar. And it's whole chestnuts in here.
Mm.
So I'm gonna break it. Ooh.
Oh. Looks so
It
perfect.
got a crowd reaction. Okay.
Oh.
So I'm gonna show. Okay, so I'm a little disappointed banana wasn't the finale, but okay. Everyone can take a piece. So this is chocolate bar, spectacular dessert made a combination of quality milk chocolate and whole chestnuts for a perfectly sweet and unique treat. I like that.
It's like a
It's
chestnut
different.
almond joy is what it reminds me of.
Yeah.
Tastes good but different.
Okay.
Melon's bar.
We're gonna go through and everyone's gonna do their favorite. Mila?
I forgot what it's called again.
Mila picked the Dorina, I think.
Yeah.
Elsie doesn't have a favorite. Is that true?
Yeah.
Kyle, what was your favorite? Kyle's were the peanuts. Here you go, bud. Matt, what was your favorite?
The Euro crumb.
Did we eat all of it?
Is that it over there?
Oh, that's
Oh,
this
yeah.
one.
Yep, that's my favorite.
I don't know.
And my personal favorite was the Bananco. I thought that was really good and very unique to things that we have here in the States. I think the only thing that we didn't like was Eugenia. I'm sorry, Eugenia. No one really liked this. Did you like it?
No.
This is the only thing that we unanimously did not like. So my investigator husband figured out that rum is the flavor in here that we didn't recognize, and that's probably what we didn't appreciate or enjoy. And what's really nice, not only did they send this to me, but they gave me my own coupon code, Grocery Addict, that saves you 15% off your first box if you want to give them a try. There's a link below, and use code Grocery Addict, and you can try it yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Don, and ciao.